I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cabbage Gobi Manchurian. We'll start by preparing the vegetables, ensuring they are perfectly crisp. Then, we'll create a flavorful batter for frying. Finally, we'll whip up the signature tangy and spicy Manchurian sauce. This easy guide will help you achieve restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic Indo-Chinese treat. First, finely chop about 2 cups of cabbage and break 1 head of cauliflower into small florets. Blanch the cauliflower in hot water for about 2 minutes, then drain it thoroughly to remove excess moisture. In a large bowl, combine the blanched cauliflower and chopped cabbage. Add 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix everything gently until the vegetables are lightly coated. Heat oil in a deep pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Form small balls from the coated vegetable mixture and deep fry them until they are golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Set them aside. For the sauce, sauté 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1/2 cup of chopped onion in a separate pan. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Stir well to combine. To finish the sauce, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with a little water to thicken it to your desired consistency. Once the sauce is simmering, gently add the fried cabbage and gobi balls. Toss everything together until the balls are thoroughly coated in the delicious Manchurian sauce. Garnish with fresh spring onions and serve hot. This dish is perfect as an appetizer or a side. Be sure to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.